If you love your spaghetti salad fully loaded like this, then keep on watching because I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to get the best spaghetti salad ever. Let's go. Okay, so I have cooked my spaghetti in salted water until it is al dente. You want to use thin spaghetti, okay? Don't use the angel hair and don't use the regular spaghetti. Thin spaghetti is where it's at. Bomb. Okay, I rinse it off with cold water so it's super, super cold. Now I'm going to season it generously with some salad supreme. And you can make your own homemade salad supreme, but why? Why do that? Just go ahead and buy it. Tastes good. All right, you can put as much seasoning as you want. I don't want to go, too crazy here. So I just did a little bit of salad supreme and some Cajun seasoning. You can throw in some garlic powder or some Italian seasoning if you want to. Okay, now for the dressing, I have some Italian dressing. I'm going to add in just a teeny tiny bit of ranch, y'all. Just a little bit. You don't want to add too much. And adding that ranch is going to kind of get everything nice and creamy so that it clings to the noodles so much better. And it's going to kind of mellow out that tanginess of that Italian dressing. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and just pour this over the noodles just like that. And you can increase the dressing if you want to. If you want to have your pasta salad swimming in dressing. I know some people like to just have that stuff swimming in dressing. I don't like it. I like for it to just cling to the noodles and that's it. I don't want it swimming, but you can increase if you want to. Okay, now here's my fresh herbs going in. Some dill and some parsley. Gotta have fresh herbs. Yes, lots of fresh herbs. All right, so go ahead and just mix it all up. And now for our add-ins, you can use anything you want, but this is just what my family tends to like. So this is what I usually always use. But if I had my way, I'll probably throw in some broccoli, some black olives, all that. But I'm just gonna add in a little bit of cucumber. I'm gonna throw in some cherry tomatoes. I got some red onions. And of course, I can't forget my medley of bell peppers. I love bell peppers in this. Some cubed cheese, and then last, some pepperoni. That pepperoni is totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but just mix everything up just like that. It's so pretty and colorful. I went ahead and placed mine in a little casserole dish. I find it easier to serve it in this dish. That way, everybody gets some of the good stuff. We're gonna cover it, chill it for 1 hour. When it comes out, I hit it with some black pepper. I hit it with a little bit more of that salad supreme. You can add any kind of spices you want here. Give it a taste. Let your taste buds be your guide. And now you are ready to dig in. That is it, you guys. You can get the full recipe at divascancook.com. Later.